Alright, welcome back. It's an after work special here. But it's the start of my beer advent calendar that I picked up at my local Winn-Dixie. Oh yeah. Check that bad baby out. Yeah. It says 13 different styles, 7 different breweries, 24 unique beers. Beer. So, today is the first day of December, 2021. We're up. It's got a nifty little... It's the most wonderful time for a beer. Alright, pretty cool. Got this little nifty guide to guide you through it. So, let's see, put it back here. Number 1, boom. The first beer of the holiday. Let me fold this back up. Put it back down here to go out to the fridge. Alright. Alright. What do we got here? Red Hook Storm Surge Hazy IPA. Man, starting off real nice. 6.8%. This is from Seattle, Washington. Red Hook Brewery. Nothing else on the can there. Okay. Had it in the refrigerator so it's nice and cold. That's pretty cool. Smells like an IPA. Oh yeah. It's beer. Nice, good, beautiful color. Not really too hazy, I would say. If anything, it looks like a shock top or a Blue Moon or something, you know. Great color. Nice head on it. That's real nice. Oh, that's good. It's like a hazy IPA, which most of them I believe are New England IPAs or NEPAs or whatever, however you want to pronounce it. So that is, I'm finding out more and more how much I like these hazies and juicies better than just regular IPAs, double IPAs, stuff like that that are like really hoppy. This is good. It's well balanced, great flavor, and it's the first one on my advent calendar, so there's going to be 24 more of these every day this month. So until next time, salute.